Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a leveled surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Yazen. This is ticket number SP 1320609, count 1, registration and a plate violation. Count 2, no proof of insurance. This is the date and time set for a formal hearing in this matter. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Judge. Mazen Gaith appear on behalf of Mr. Yassin, P73845.
All right. And is your client joining us today, sir?
He's not, Judge. I have authority to take a plea.
All right, we'll keep ourselves on mute. All right, sir, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing in this matter. How would you wish?
Judge, because of the officer's failure to appear, we'd like to move for a dismissal of the citation.
All right, the time is now 10 a.m. This matter was scheduled for 8:30 a.m. No officer having appeared to court is going to grant that, dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, you're all set. Thank you for your patience this morning.
Thank you very much. Have a happy holiday.
You too. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Watkins.
Yes, Your Honor.
Leonard Watkins, not
Yes,
Jordan
ma'am.
Watkins.
Oh.
One
Yes,
second,
ma'am.
Mr. Watkins. All right. Are you able
Yes,
to turn
ma'am.
on your camera for a second? All right, now calling the matter first, I see you, sir. Now calling the matter of the people versus Leonard Maurice Watkins. This is ticket number P 1360778. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, misdemeanor, no insurance. Count 3, tinted windows. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P 70578 on behalf of Mr. Watkins. State your name for the record, sir.
Leonard Maurice Watkins.
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss his matters. We stipulate your probable cause.
At this time, the court is going to grant that recommendation. I'm going to dismiss it without prejudice. Sir, you're all set. You can sign off, okay?
All right, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
And all right, Merry Christmas to all.
Merry
Same to
Christmas.
you, okay? Merry Christmas, sir. All right, now I'm ready for you, Jordan Watkins. Mr. Watkins. Thank you. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Jordan Lee Watkins. This is ticket P 1348451. This is one count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Watkins. State your name for the record.
Jordan Lee Watkins.
Your Honor, Mr. Watkins has provided a valid proof of registration expiring March 1st, 2023 for 2001 Ford, last four of the VIN number 0123. We'd like to make a motion to dismiss this. Or
Right.
complaint.
Having valid documentation and seeing that as an officer of the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always keep everything valid and up to date and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, fantastic. If there's nothing further, you're all set.
Cool. Thank you. Have a happy holiday.
You too.
You too. Happy holidays, sir. Al Wilson. Mr. Wilson? Okay.
Yes,
I see you. Okay, all right. Are you sitting up, Mr. Wilson?
yes. And the bed up under the cover, though, sitting on the bed.
Now, Mr. Wilson, do I get to be under my bed and the cover underneath my bed?
My phone had went dead. I had to run back to the room to get it on the charger.
It's okay to just sit on the bed, you just can't be
Oh,
under the
okay.
covers in the bed, sir. So you can sit on the bed, just sit up. So you can have your phone charged. There you go. There you go. All right. Now calling the matters of the people first is Al Wilson. This is ticket number SP 7151391. This is one count, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP 1302088, count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 130200961, wrong way on a one-way street. Case number 194295351, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Wilson. State your name for the record, sir.
Al Wilson.
Your Honor, there are a couple of those matters that were in warrant status. We ask that the warrants be recalled at this time, please.
All right, this time the court is going to recall these warrants, and I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
Thank you, Your Honor. He would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation. Is that correct, Mr. Wilson? And
Yes.
he is aware of his trial rights, Your Honor.
All right, fantastic. Sir, if that's the case, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of August the 2nd of 2016, sir. Were you at that time driving a Oldsmobile vehicle in the area of East Warren and East Auto Drive in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to that officer who stopped you?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfy, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. The remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 tickets will be dismissed today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we came in close to Christmas. So the court is not gonna charge you any fees for this ticket. However, Mr. Wilson, you have some tickets in default. What that means is that you didn't come to court and pay those. You need to pay those, okay? You
Okay,
have
how
two
much?
tickets.
How much is it?
Let me see. These are the cost of tickets. Yes. Hold on a minute, let me see if I can review our way with Spanish. So you can take it. Our way with Spanish. So you can take it. Let me see how much these late fees are, Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson, why haven't you come back to court for so long with the other tickets? I know you got some newer ones, but why did you come back in 2016, 2017?
I was a lot younger, so I probably was scared. Like I wasn't trying to do no jail time for nothing.
Okay. That's fair. I'll take it. Take it later, though. Y'all better be happy.
2016, I just had my first kid in 2012, so yeah, I wasn't trying to.
But you should teach you shouldn't you want to show your kids how to be responsible, right?
That's why I'm
So they
taking the tickets now, though.
Right.
2016, he was only 1 or 2, and I had just got custody of him. I wasn't trying to go to jail. I'm trying to
You
make
have
sure.
full custody of your son?
Yeah. Yes.
Still
Yeah.
to this day?
Yes. My son in there on the computer on his classes.
Very good. Making sure he attends school. How old is he now then?
10.
Very good. That's very honorable, Mr. Wilson. Christmas music. All right, so you owe 110 for one of the tickets, 215 for another ticket, and 195. We took off the late fees, so you owe $520, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You also have 2 reinstatement fees you need to pay. And you'll see those. Those are both $45 a piece. I can't waive those. Those are to the Secretary of State's office, okay? But you can take your time in paying those back. But just make sure they won't affect you, keeping or having your license, okay?
Okay.
All right. So you're all set, sir. You have a great day, okay? Just pay those tickets that went into default, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
I will. Thank you. And good luck to you, sir.
Yeah.
Is Destiny Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people. First is Destiny Williams. This is ticket SP 13087061. This is one count drive a registered and untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Williams. State your name for the record, please.
Destiny Charlay Williams.
How are we proceeding, attorney?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss. We stipulate the probable cause.
Talking valid documentation.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. She presented valid documentation. For a 2012 Ford, it expires June 25th, 2023. Last four of the VIN is 9489. We'd like to ask for it to dismiss it for valid documentation.
Being an officer, before having seen valid documentation and that matching this one, the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Williams, make sure you always keep everything valid and up to date, okay?
Okay,
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you, ma'am. You can sign off.
thank you.
You're welcome. Attorney Robinson,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Judge.
did you need, John for your motion hearing? Or are you
I want
having
y'all-
it today?
If I could talk to John.
Okay. All right. So just hold tight. I just want to make sure that you weren't just sitting here in vain.
Thank you.
Is
You're
John in the
welcome.
courtroom now?
No, he's not. He had to step to the other courtroom. So I'll let
It's
you
no
know when he comes
No
back.
problem. I
Okay,
sent him a text about a couple
Okay.
clients in the room. Okay, thank you.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you both.
Mhm.
I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it.
Okay.
All right, Your Honor, I am ready on Ms. Wright, whenever you get a chance.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Yasmin Wright. This is the ticket number P 1326162. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Ms. Wright. State your name for the record, please.
Yasmin Wright.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for more readings, Your Honor.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. How are we proceeding?
Thank you, Your Honor. She would like to ask that this matter be set for a pretrial. However, I'm also requesting of the court for count 3. She has a $45 license clearance fee attached to that ticket. And I wanted to see if the court would allow her to pay it in advance so she could bring a valid license in next court date. She did indicate to me that she did not receive notice of her court hearing.
I know I'm more concerned about what count 3 ticket is. It's a reckless driving. So my question is, do we let her have her license back when she's accused of being recklessly driving? Does she need to be driving right now?
It is of course, she's innocent until proven guilty, Your Honor.
No, I know, but I'm concerned. Her driving record? No, her driving record. 1 second. Let me see what her driving record looks like.
Okay.
Am I about to be surprised, Ms. Wright?
No.
Okay.
Am I going to be surprised, Ms. Wright?
No.
Okay. Just check.
All right. There's no surprises, Attorney Bradfield.
Okay, great.
Just no proof of insurance type stuff. All right. All right, I will allow her to pay her fee. I put a note in the system that she can pay her $45 fee to get her license back at this point in time, and I'll set this for a pretrial. Now, my pretrial dates are far out, Ms. Wright, but let me tell you something. If you get a ticket, anything close to what I see on this, Between now and then, it's gonna come directly to me. And I don't forget faces, Miss Wright, okay?
Okay,
Then, at that point in time, all bets are off. I'm not gonna let you pay anything to get your license back, okay? Until you
Okay.
handle the matters, okay?
And thank you so much, Your Honor.
yes, thank you.
So your pretrial date is going to be on March 3rd, okay, March 3rd, 2023. That's gonna be at 8:30 a.m.
Okay,
I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. I'm gonna write on the ticket, she can pay the $45 reinstatement. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
all right, don't make me regret doing this, Miss Wright, okay?
I won't. I appreciate you, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, ma'am. I'll see you back on March 3rd. Have that valid license by then, that gives you plenty of
Yes, I
time.
will.
Okay, all right, if there's nothing further, we're all set. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hey,
You
You
too.
too, thank you so much.
you're welcome. Okay.
All right.
Did Mr. Gillis leave any other offers with you?
Not yet, so we're waiting on him to come back right now.
Okay.
Okay,
I do have one, but I'll wait till he gets back to the courtroom for a motion. Officer retired, so,
okay. Just let
yeah,
let
I'll
us know
just,
when you come to the courtroom.
okay. All right. And Your Honor, I'll, be making the same request for another lady in regards to the clearance fee. She has 3 matters before the court. That's Mary Walton. Her SX ticket is the only one that has the $45 license clearance fee on it. I don't know if you want to pull her record first before I bring her in.
So you don't need an offer on that one either?
Um,
Let me see, make sure she doesn't have any more tickets. Okay.
yeah, 'cause
Give me
I
one
don't know if
second.
okay. She might even have, I don't know if she has civil infractions in default, so I guess we need to check on that. Because if so, she won't be able to get her license anyway.
Are you looking for offers on the last 3 people?
Miss Courtria Williams, I need an offer on her. And I guess I need to talk with Mr. Gillis in regards to Miss Walton. Because
Okay, Ms.
if
Walton
it's,
has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, that was 1 and dismissed. 5, 6 tickets. 2 are state. And 1 of them is an accident, failed to stop within sure clear distance ahead.
what year is that ticket?
21.
Okay. Well, she probably won't be able to get her license because she has more than one license clearance fee. So,
She got a speed ticket too. It's a 11 to 15 from 2021 too.
okay. So,
47 in a 30-mile-per-hour zone.
okay. Is the state prosecutor available?
We can send a message to her to try and get her in here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And then the last lady is Miss Watkins. That's the one the officer retired. He retired about 4 years ago.
Mr. Watkins, and then what about Coretta Williams?
Yeah, we need an offer on her.
Okay, you do need an offer on her.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Joshua Wright,
Yes, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning. Sorry if I'm late. I had to let my supervisors know I needed a conference room where it's quiet.
Sorry, sorry if you're late, you are late. Court starts at 8:30 a.m., sir.
I was told 10:30. I had the paperwork when I got out. It said 10:30, I believe. Sorry.
You may not be in my
22nd, 10:30. That wasn't
Hold on.
correct.
Hold on a minute, Mr. Wright. I don't see you on my docket. Do you have a case number for me, sir, so I can look it up real quick?
I did have my paper when I got out on bond. I paid my bond, but I don't. It's at home. I wish I could. All I did write in my notes on my iPhone was the Zoom number and the court date
Is it for a
and
traffic
time. It
matter,
was said
Mr. Wright?
10:30 at, yeah, from 2017. It was I believe it was the same price. It was the same. My bond just paid to get out. It was $600 ticket from 2017. While license suspended. 2000. It was in Impala. I don't know the exact street, but I know it was in Mount Clemens. I know that's probably not helpful. I
This
mean,
is Detroit. You hear me, Mr. Wright? This is Detroit, not Mount Clemens.
oh, I'm sorry. Oh, okay.
It's okay.
So
It's okay. That's why I
my
tried to
Detroit
figure it out
and my
quickly for
Macomb
you.
tickets in the same note. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
no.
I'm sorry.
Sign on to Macomb. It probably is 10:30 for you, Mr.
Yeah.
Wright. Sign on to the Macomb ticket, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Y'all's ain't to the 24th. Yeah, mine's ain't to
Okay.
the 24th for y'all. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Good luck to you, sir. Attorney Robinson, I'm gonna put you into a room with Attorney Gillis, okay?
Okay.
Your Honor, do we have a response from the state prosecutor yet for Ms. Walton?
Oh.
I do have an offer from the city. I just need it from the state.
I know. Okay, sorry.
That's okay. And whenever you're ready, we're ready on Miss Cortria Williams.
Ms. Katria Williams?
Yes.
Right. Now calling the matter of People versus Katria Williams. This is ticket 227445331. A one count disregard signal red or amber. Ticket number 7265530. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, improper plates. Also calling ticket number 726532. Count 1, failed to change address on license. Count 2, no registration and possession. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Williams. State your name for the record, please.
Cortria Williams.
Okay. Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for my reading.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding today?
Thank you, Your Honor. My client is aware of her trial rights. However, she would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation. Is that correct, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
So, ma'am, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes.
Swear or affirm, you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Huh?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand it?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, do you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
I want to take your attention back to the date of August 3rd of 2021. Were you in the area of East Burn and Rex Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
Did that vehicle have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfy, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause of the remaining counts to be dismissed.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter one count of improper plates. The remaining counts are to be dismissed today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ma'am, my fine is $200. Is that something that you're able to afford?
Yeah, can I have like 14 days to pay it, like, or like 30 or something?
I'll give you until February 22nd, 23 to make the payment, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
I see you checked in, Ms. Cole. Give me 1 second. I just got called one more matter, then Attorney Bradfield can talk to you, okay?
Oh, no problem. Thank you.
All right. Twinkle Watkins. Unmute yourself, ma'am.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people People versus Twinkle Watkins. This is B ticket 113012. This is parental duties, duty of the parent to forbid a minor from committing delinquency. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Watkins. State your name for the record, please.
Twinkle Watkins.
Your Honor, I did speak to Mr. Gillis. The officer, Officer Crawford, has retired approximately 4 years ago, and there should be a recommendation to dismiss.
All right. I do have the recommendation for a dismissal today. So the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Ms. Watkins, I don't know why you didn't come in 2017. You should have been here.
I had no idea. Ticket.
Okay, I understand. Yeah, that's totally legit. So this case is dismissed without prejudice, okay, ma'am?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Yes, thank you.
All right. Bye-bye, Ms. Watkins.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Do I stay on?
Sign off. Go ahead, sign off for me, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, Ms. Cole, I'm gonna put you in Attorney Bradfield into breakout room number 2.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Now, what are y'all doing on that?
Hold on, I mean, we all.
Attorney Robinson, are you ready on your matter? So y'all did whatever's happening. Should I unmute? I wasn't. When I said it. Attorney Robinson? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Now calling the matter of people versus Kenyon Wilson. On the docket for a motion hearing today is U-Ticket 593-59521. This is one count of aiding and abetting another in the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Kenyon Wilson, who's present via Zoom.
And sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, ma'am. Kean Wilson.
This is the date and time set for a motion hearing in this matter. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Judge, I will proceed with an oral motion. I discussed it with Mr. Prosecutor, Judge-elect John Gillis. He indicated that he would be agree to dismiss the matter. We discussed it, and as to the U-Ticket.
And counsel, one more time for the record for the last time, Attorney Gillis.
Yes, Your Honor. Morning, John Gillis, P79500 on behalf of people. Your Honor, we would like to move to dismiss the solicitation aiding and abetting.
All right, with that being said, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss ticket U 593-59521 in this matter at this time. Attorney Robinson, on the other matters, I had them set for a pretrial on 3/1/2023 because that was going to be the date of our trial. Is that
Perfect.
still a good date for you? Okay.
Perfect.
All right, we'll have a pretrial date that day to adjudicate the remaining matters on this docket, okay?
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
If there's nothing further, bond continued. Okay, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Gillis. We're gonna miss you over here. Bye-bye.
Miss you too, Ms.
We are.
Robinson. Take
But
care.
We're gonna miss him. All right, thank you, Attorney Robinson. You gotta go back to the other courtroom.
Your Honor, we are ready for the, Ms. Walton.
Excuse me.
Okay. Let me bring her out. Ms. Walton?
You said Walton?
Yes,
Oh, yes, I'm sorry.
it's okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Mary Walton. This is ticket P 1180752. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket P 11-80525, count one, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count two, no proof of insurance. Ticket 710856, no operator's license on person. Ticket X 3718551. I don't think it's anything on that ticket. Ticket SX 38952832. Count one, no proof of insurance. No, count two, one, accident, failed to stop within a short distance. Count two of that ticket is no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P 31888.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Walton. State your name for the record, please.
Mary Walton.
Your Honor, the ticket for the failure to stop for a short clear distance, that's city or state?
That's state.
Oh, I was not aware of that one. I'm sorry, Ms. Cole.
That's okay. I saw that on the register of action, but I wasn't sure if it was up today.
I didn't know if that
Yeah,
was.
it's in default right now, but it's from 2021. And typically I let us go back to 2021 if we want to take care of that matter. So you can break into a room if you need a moment just to discuss that ticket.
It's okay. But there was an accident.
Well, I have the printout, so I don't know that it was an accident. Well, it says accident though, failed to stop.
Okay. Yeah, if we could have a brief breakout room, I promise it won't be long.
Okay. Hold on a second, Mr. Oh,
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're ready. If you could bring Ms. Cole back out into the room and Ms. Walton as well, please. Thank you.
All right. All right, recalling the matters of the people versus Mary Watson. I called these matters on the record a moment ago. We needed a brief break so that we could figure things out. I did neglect to call one of the matters, and that was ticket X 3718551. It's a no operator's license on person. Appearances once again for the record, starting with the state attorney, please.
Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Walton. State your name again for the record.
Mary Walton.
Your Honor, I did speak with Ms. Walton about the revised offer. She is aware of her trial rights. However, she would like to enter a guilty and a responsible plea and accept the people's recommendation.
Is that right, Ms. Walton?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. What is she pleading to at this point in time so I can know?
She's pleading on the first ticket, failed to display, and we're dismissing the speeding. I wish I'd written the number down. I'm sorry. There was a no ops and a speeding 6 to 10, and we're dismissing the speeding, but we am pleading to the amended failed to display. Do you have the ticket number, Attorney Bradfield?
Okay.
I have
just,
it if you need it.
and then the failure to stop at a sure clear distance, that one is being amended down to limited access speeding 6 to 10 over.
That's correct.
Okay. So on the no operator's license is going to be a FTD, or is it the drive unregistered motor vehicle?
An FTD.
Okay. FTD count 3. And then the fail to stop at a short distance is going to be, so what?
6 to 10 limited access.
All right.
And you have the city's offer, is that correct, Your Honor?
I do have the city's offer.
Okay.
All right, ma'am. We already swore you in. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights? Ms. Walton?
I'm sorry, it went out. I'm still here. Could you repeat that, please?
That's okay. I said, did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention first back to the date of all right, so the ticket X 3956137, that was not her ticket. So okay. March the 26th, 2021. Were you driving a Kia vehicle in the area of Livernois and Chalfont Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer who stopped you?
Yes.
And reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis, on the day of May 21st, 2021, in the area of M39 ramp and I-96 freeway in the city of Detroit, Ms. Walton was driving a Kia vehicle and did do limited access 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed?
That's correct.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to fail to display a valid operator's license and one count of limited access, 6 and a 10-mile-per-hour zone. Ma'am, the fine for the limited access 6 to 10 miles in a is $135. Typically, civil infractions are due 14 days after there's a plea made. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so that's gonna be due no later than January 5th, 2023. I'm gonna weigh the cost and fines on your remaining ticket, okay? But you may have some
Okay, thank
reinstatement.
you.
You're welcome. You may have some reinstatement fees you need to pay, okay?
Oh, yeah, I know about those.
Okay, you also have a couple of tickets in default, or at least one ticket in default. Make sure you take care of that as well, okay?
Okay, thank you. So am I able to just go to the 36th district and then like get a receipt of my tickets and then just pay them that way?
Yes, you can. Yep, that'd probably be your best bet too, is to come down here, see all that you have open, and then based off of that, start paying on them, okay?
Okay, I'll probably come up there next week then. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome, okay? You have a great day, okay?